Be spontaneous. Break the routine. With the BMW F 450 GS, every day can become an adventure. Thanks to the newly developed two-cylinder engine with 48 horsepower and only 393 pounds, it can master every trip in a light and playful way. Your adventures don't have to be big to be unforgettable. What matters is that you experience them anew every day. The full LED headlight with X icon is based on that of its big sibling, the R1300GS, and expresses the GS character. The Enduro footrests offer optimal grip, especially when riding off-road. The Shift Assistant Pro allows you to change gears without using the clutch, for fluid gear changes. The brand new two-cylinder inline engine with 48 horsepower is lightweight, compact, and thrillingly rev-heavy. The F450GS is an authentic GS that brings all of the typical design characteristics of the GS family with it, including the iconic GS flyline. Forged wheel and tinted windscreen are not available in the US. The Easy Ride clutch is a centrifugal clutch that allows you to ride off without the need to use the clutch lever and makes it easier to ride at low speeds or in stop-and-go traffic. It remains closed in overrun mode and therefore functions as an engine brake, like with a conventional clutch. This is especially useful when riding downhill. Precise maneuvers on any terrain. With the adjustable hand levers, you can adapt the brake and clutch levers to meet your needs precisely. The gold anodized 1.7 inches, 43 millimeters, upside-down fork with 7 inches of spring travel wins riders over with its sophisticated finish, while also providing effective damping. Progressive damping on every route. The adjustable suspension strut adapts to the weight, riding style, and road surface, for both control and comfort. When your daily routine is challenging, the F450GS gives you confidence. ABS Pro provides the necessary level of control. With the rain, road, and enduro riding modes, as well as the tuned suspension, you can master nearly any situation in nearly any weather, both on and off-road. The drive system of the F450GS has been completely redeveloped. It is a compact, lightweight, rev-heavy, two-cylinder inline engine with exactly 420 cubic centimeters displacement and 48 horsepower. It delivers its maximum torque of 32 pound-feet at 6,750 revolutions per minute. The new crank pin offset of 135 degrees provides optimal conditions in relation to oscillations and vibrations, while also providing a thrilling, throaty sound. In combination with the low vehicle weight of 393 pounds, the F450GS offers freshness, fun, and agility, both on and off-road. .393 pounds of lightweight construction, combined with a unique character. This GS makes no compromises. The iconic flyline, the distinctive beak, and the side trim panels in dime silver metallic matte show, the F450GS knows where it belongs. From the typical GS design language, right up to the unmistakable riding experience, the newest member of the BMW GS family is winning riders over. For all those who want to experience new possibilities every day,